access the top sensor. Hello everyone, welcome back to SG Automation. Today we will make a simple water level indicator. This can be used to know the amount of water in your overhead tank without actually climbing up to the tank. This is a very simple circuit and uses very few components, very easy to make and also very low cost as well. We need a buzzer. We need a buzzer for the alarm, and for power supply you can use a 9 volts battery or any volt charger which gives 5 volts power supply. And we need a general purpose PCB for soldering and one IC ULN 2003, 5 resistors and 5 LEDs and 5 stainless steel sensors to place the inside the water tank. Now let us start the soldering. For any electronic circuit, we usually start soldering with IC first. So solder the IC keeping the notch upside as shown in the picture. Now place the resistors across the corresponding pin of the IC and solder it. Now place the LEDs. For LED, the longer lead is the P and shorter lead is N. So connect N of the LED to corresponding resistor and you have to join all the P terminals of the LEDs together. Connect the P terminal of LEDs to pin number 9 of IC. Connect the power indicator LED along with its resistor between the pins 8 and 9. Now it's time to connect the sensors. We have 5 sensors for indicating 4 levels. One sensor is common, which is to be connected for positive terminal of the supply, and all other 4 sensors corresponding to the level. The color coding is very important here. Let us connect the buzzer. Buzzer is having 2 terminals, red is positive and the black is negative. Connect it between positive and the pin number 16. Now time to connect the power supply and test. Connect the positive terminal of the power supply to pin number 9 and negative to pin number 8. Stick the buzzer to the PCB to avoid hanging. See, this is very small in size and very compact. This entire circuit can be placed in a small PVC box like this. Placing of sensors in the water tank is very important. Here red is the common that we have to keep at lower level, and yellow is L1, blue is L2, then black and then green. Green is at the top. Now everything is done. Time for testing. Let us give power supply. The power LED is glowing now. For testing purpose, I am taking a small container. I'll place the sensors inside the container and pour the water slowly so that it reflects on the indicator. Once again I am reminding about the sensors. Common one is at lower level and L1, L2, L3, L4. According to the color you should place inside the tank. I started pouring the water. As you can see, once it touches the lower sensor, the lower LED is glowing. When the water touches the L2 sensor, the second LED glows. Similarly, when the water touches the third sensor, the third LED also glows. As you can see, water touches the top sensor and the 4 LEDs are glowing and the buzzer is giving alarm. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.